Howdy there guys, this is Old Main Productions and I'm here today at the lovely Monocacy National Battlefield. Some slight rain, the Old Main guy here in front of me, along with a MP36 on today's P train, P891. The P slowing down to take the junction. Speed limit for passing trains is 15. Hey, it's Locomotive 32. Boy, do I have a history with that one. There it goes, guys. Yeah, right over there. You might be able to pick it out. There's a private crossing right where that guardrail is.
All single-level cab cars as well. MARC has been using these since the 1990s, I believe. So there it goes. P891.
Have a nice night, everyone. Adios.